on here, dude?
He's telling you to get inside the car.
Oh my
He's trying to stage
God.
Just leave it
Oh,
out.
dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what the f are you guys doing to me, dude?
He's trying to tell you to get inside the
pulled
car.
over right there.
Okay, get inside the car.
No, you get inside the
At this
car.
point, you're going to.
You, dude.
What are you doing?
Get the f out of my.
Just hold him down. Just hold him down.
Oh, okay. Oh, dude, you guys are resisting.
Stop.
You guys are resisting.
Stop. Stop.
Oh my God.
7221,
Dude, actually hurt you, dude.
Stop resisting.
We have one active resisting. Where's this third unit?
My arm handcuffed.
Stop.
I'm handcuffed. How am I resisting?
I got you, sir.
I'm handcuffed.
Let him go. I got you.
I'm handcuffed, bro. I'm not resisting. My hands are tied, bro.
7114.
Okay.
1610.
In Monroe County, Florida, Sergeant Hager of the Monroe County Sheriff's Office initiated a traffic stop after a driver failed to yield for his emergency lights, a violation of Florida's move-over law. Under Florida Statute Section 316.126, drivers must move over or slow down for stationary emergency vehicles with active lights. This is a primary offense. Officers can initiate a lawful stop on this violation alone. From the first seconds, the driver disputes the stop. He produces identification, but refuses to provide registration or insurance, both legally required under Florida Statute Section 316.65 during any lawful traffic stop. The sergeant orders the driver out of the vehicle. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, officers may order any driver from a vehicle during a lawful stop. No additional justification required. The order is legally sound. The driver is handcuffed outside the vehicle. He offers no physical aggression at this stage, but his sustained refusal to comply with repeated lawful orders provides probable cause for detention under Florida law.
Sergeant Hager with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. The reason that I pulled you over is for the move over law.
You didn't pull me over, sir.
I'm sorry?
You didn't pull me over.
What are you talking about? I've been behind you with my lights on for a quarter to half a mile. Okay, do you have your driver's license with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have any form of identification on you?
Right here. Because you didn't pull me over, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's weird that you would say that. But
That's weird, man.
yeah, you went to the right lane. You sped up to 55 miles an hour. You passed by patrol,
I didn't
two
do
patrol
anything
cars.
that you're saying, sir.
Okay, I have it all on camera. That's fine. Do you have your registration insurance with you?
You don't, sir. No.
You don't have your registration insurance?
You didn't pull me over.
Okay, this is a lawful traffic stop.
This
You are
is
not free to
literally
leave.
you not pulling me over.
Yeah, this
sir.
is a traffic stop. I have lights on my car. I'm a police officer.
Stop. No,
Okay.
it's not.
Okay. All right. Do you have your registration insurance with you?
You're off me in just a moment.
Hello?
Could you just clear me?
Clear you what?
Can you just check my license? I gave you my license.
I know. I'm asking you.
Single
No, that's not.
location, are you on a traffic
No,
stop?
that's not right, sir. This is a traffic stop. You have to give me your registration and
because
insurance.
you didn't pull me over.
Yeah, I did.
No, you
I
didn't.
turned my lights on. That's a traffic stop.
No, you didn't, sir. You were passing me on the other side of the road.
Okay. I need your registration and insurance. If you refuse to give it to me, I'm going to take that as a resisting. I'm going to take you out of the car and put you in handcuffs.
That
Okay?
doesn't matter.
You have a lawful reason. You have a lawful. I'm giving you a lawful order to give me your paperwork. And if you don't give it to me, I'm taking you out of the
Give me
car.
my license back, yeah.
Not going to happen. Give me your registration and insurance, or else I'm going to take you out of the car.
That doesn't make any sense.
I'm going to give you one more opportunity to give me your information.
Okay.
If you don't want to give it to me, then we'll do what we need to do.
If I do what you need to do,
Yes, sir. I'm going to take you out of the vehicle.
you're gonna
I'm going to remove you. I'm going to forcefully remove you from the vehicle. If you don't give me your paperwork, your registration and insurance.
Can you put out the cigarette, please?
How about this? Step out of the car. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
7271.
What's this about?
Don't turn.
What? No, I didn't turn.
Don't turn. Don't turn.
I'm not turning at all.
Don't turn.
What this is about? Why am I being put in handcuffs?
Because you are. Okay?
In the handcuffs because you're refusing to.
I didn't refuse
Comply
anything.
with simple
I
orders.
implied, pulled over, and everything.
Okay.
Right?
I told you not to turn around.
Okay, and the entire time you told me I didn't pull you
Dude.
over. I had my lights on.
It doesn't matter what I say, dude.
You're right.
You can literally do whatever you want to.
Okay.
Exactly.
Go ahead and do whatever you guys have got to do. Do
Okay.
it, bro.
That's why
I have
you're
the one
handcuffed.
set up
Don't
already.
waste
Go
my
ahead with it.
time.
Nobody's wasting your time.
You are wasting my time. You're holding on my
You're wasting our time.
Didn't waste anybody's time.
On one call or separate?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Back
Where?
here to the patrol car.
Can I have my license?
No, sir. Oh, it's signal 1. Holy moly.
Yeah.
Smell that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smell that? Yeah. Okay. Have a good one. Thank you.
Sir, Do you have any medical disabilities or anything that will cause you to act the way that you're acting?
No, sir.
Okay.
The way you're acting? No, sir. Again, like, I was cordial. I pulled over when I saw that there was a cop behind me.
Okay.
But f you guys, because I'm literally not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Just put him in the back of your car for a minute.
Don't push me, sir. Don't push me.
Who the hell are you?
What's your problem, man? Get up. Stop.
What
Stop.
are you doing, dude? What the f are you doing, dude? What the hell's your
Do not
problem?
resist.
I'm
Say
not
104,
resisting,
another.
dude. What the f is your...
Do not get.
Why are
Do
you
not lean like that to the
no need
sergeant.
to try to run away. I don't know why you would do
attack
that.
me like this.
Do not lean at the sergeant
No,
like that.
shut the f up.
Okay?
Why the f did you just do that?
Do not
I
lean on
will
the sergeant
kick
like
your f***ing ass,
We'll
bro.
do it. Come on.
No,
Come on.
right now?
Come on.
Okay, you gotta get the
Step
fuck
up.
off me
No,
and I'll
step up.
beat your
We're gonna go
f***ing
inside the
ass
car.
Right the fuck.
Go inside the car.
Hey,
Stand up.
shut
Stand
the
up. Stop resisting and
stop
stand
f***ing doing this, bro.
Stand up.
Stop the. I'm not saying
Okay.
shit, bro. You just
right.
squashed
All right,
my.
we'll give you the
f***ing
opportunity to
face,
get
bitch.
inside the car.
No,
Are you gonna
shut the
stand
f- up? Shut the f up. Give me my license.
Are you
and
gonna
shut
stand
the f up, bitch? You better get the f off of it.
I'm not going nowhere.
Okay, then shut the f up and
Are you
don't.
gonna stand up?
What was that,
Are
bitch?
you gonna stand up?
Bitch, you better get the f
How about this?
or I'm gonna beat your
Sir,
f***ing ass.
are you
right
willing to do
the
field
fuck now.
sobriety exercises?
Shut the f up.
Are you willing to do field
Shut the
sobriety
f
exercises?
up, dude.
Third time. Are you willing to do...
Shut
Okay.
the f up.
All right, let's go.
The f
10-15, signal 1.
Dude.
And resisting.
Shut the f up. I didn't do anything right now.
Hold on. Let me check. Okay, all right, we're good. Stop. Stop.
Am I resisting?
Yes, you are.
Stop resisting.
Oh, I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, hold on.
Well, I got you something.
Is he on like
Because I didn't
drugs
do
or something?
anything.
I don't know.
Right here.
Say 104.
Okay, hold
Give me
on.
1
I
minute.
didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything.
I got you.
Can you clear me? Can you check my license? Give me my license, bitch.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm gonna try to get him up and get him.
Yeah.
All right.
Ow.
You're gonna sit down.
Sir, you need to comply and get inside the car, okay?
Are you gonna sit down or what?
The situation deteriorates. Multiple officers struggle to place the handcuffed subject into the patrol car. He refuses commands, shouts profanity, and physically tenses. Against officers' conduct consistent with resisting arrest. Florida Statute. Section 843.0. 1 defines resisting an officer with violence as a third-degree felony. Resisting without violence under Section 843.02 is a first-degree misdemeanor. Officers reference both charges on camera. A taser is deployed as officers attempt to seat the subject. Under Graham v. Connor, force is evaluated by 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediate threat to safety, and active resistance, all 3 arguably present at this moment. The taser deployment is a less lethal option within the accepted use of force continuum. Whether it was the minimum force necessary given multiple officers already on scene will be the central question in any subsequent review. Once secured, the subject claims a pre-existing back injury and alleges the car door was closed on his head. Under the 14th Amendment, detainees are protected. From deliberate indifference to serious medical needs, officers confer on charges. The sergeant notes signs of impairment and references. A strong odor near the vehicle. A license check confirms the subject holds a valid Class A commercial driver's license, a legally significant detail. Under federal motor carrier regulations, CDL holders face a stricter DUI standard. A blood alcohol concentration of just 0.04%, half the standard limit, is sufficient for impaired driving charges in a commercial vehicle context. The subject refuses field sobriety exercises. Under Florida Statute Section 316.1932, Florida's implied consent law, that refusal is itself a chargeable offense, adding another layer of legal exposure on top of the DUI investigation.
Come on. Lean on your side.
You guys, dude, you didn't pull me over. Okay. You guys didn't pull me over, then f you.
Okay.
That's fine.
1, 2, 3. Stop. Stop. Why are you doing this?
Ow, dude.
Why would you do that?
Would you do that for me, dude?
what he's doing.
Why are you
guys
doing this?
Trying to help me?
We're trying to put you inside
What
the car.
What's going on here,
He's
dude?
We're
trying
telling you to
stage.
get inside the car.
Oh
He's
my
trying to
God.
stage
Just leave it out.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what the f are you guys doing to me, dude?
He's
trying to tell you to get inside the
pulled
car.
over right there.
Okay, get
You,
inside the
dude.
car.
No, you
Okay.
get inside
At
the
this
car.
point, you're going to...
F you, dude.
What are you doing?
Get the f out of my...
Just hold him down. Just hold him down.
Oh, okay. Dude, you guys are resisting.
Stop.
You guys are resisting.
Stop. Stop.
Oh my God.
7221, keep up.
Dude, you actually hurt me, dude.
Stop resisting.
We have one active resisting. Where's this third unit?
My arm handcuffed.
Stop.
I'm handcuffed. How am I resisting?
I got you, sir.
I'm handcuffed.
Let him go. I got you.
I'm handcuffed, bro. I'm not resisting. My hands are tied, bro.
7114.
Okay.
1610.
I'm totally
Stop.
resisting right now.
Stop.
Dude. Get the
Stop.
off me, dude. Get the off
Stop.
me right. Hold up. Hold up.
Stop
Just
resisting.
bro.
Just stop.
You guys stop. You guys
We're
can
trying to
stop
give
right
you the
now?
opportunity to get inside the
You
car.
guys give me a break.
We have
bro.
him cuffed. He's just
Stop.
trying to put him in the
Stop
car.
it,
He's
bro.
trying to run away.
You guys, what do you need? Nobody hurts me. I got a real bad back.
Go in your car.
Nobody hurts me. I got a real bad back, dude.
Hurry
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Okay.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, dude. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thanks.
You ready?
Yeah. Just give me the jelly. Here. Right here. Okay.
Watch his head.
Oh, watch my head.
He's gonna swing it at the door. Watch his head.
Watch my head. Hold
Let's
up.
pull him this way.
Hey, watch
Pull him
my
this way,
head.
Tommy.
Just lift him up, bro.
That's what we were trying to do. Ready? Go.
Watch my head, dude. What the
Trying to get him.
f***'s going on here, dude?
Get in the car.
You're in custody.
Hobble himself. Hobble himself.
Get in the car.
Hobble himself.
He already hard.
Aren't you guys like
Hold his leg, Sarge. I got
manhandling
it.
me? What do you mean?
Ready?
Get in the car. I don't have any room for my mother mobility, bro. I'm floating. Get in the damn gun. Oh wow. Oh, okay. There you go. Let me get that first aid kit, bitch. Okay. Thanks. This shit ain't gonna close. This shit ain't gonna. You gonna break my head?
Close it on that side.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, that's good. That's really great, bro. Thank you. Just close the door on my head, bro. Just do it. Just do it.
Nah, just close it.
Bro, bitch, just shut the up and close that bitch. Close that mother door right on my head and break my face open. Go for it, dude. Thank you. That's good enough right there. Ouch. Okay.
Don't hurt your head, bro.
Okay, don't shoot me, but okay.
Lift up.
Yeah, okay, I am. Thank you. Okay. That's good, right? Oh, whoa. That's not cool. Dude, now you.
Bro, lift up.
Sorry,
Sit
dude.
up,
No,
man.
I
Just
don't
sit up.
lift, dude.
Sit up.
I do not. I don't do that, dude. You guys get me in the car and take me to... What's your point, bro? Why are you trying to hurt me?
Not.
No, shut the up, bro.
Sit inside the car. There you go. Sit inside the car.
Right now.
Sit inside the car.
Fucking ass, bro. You better shut the up. Why are there so many
A second individual arrives claiming ownership of the vehicle. Officers advise that battery on a law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony under Florida Statute. Section 784.07 is among the charges. The vehicle is subject to impound. Officers then remove the subject from the patrol car to adjust his handcuffs and allow him to sit comfortably. The subject de-escalates, engages calmly, and wishes officers a happy Thanksgiving. A sharp contrast to the earlier struggle. At the time of this analysis, the final case outcome remains unconfirmed. Based on footage and officer statements, probable charges include DUI, implied consent, refusal, resisting arrest, and felony battery on a law enforcement officer. Sergeant Hager and the Monroe County Sheriff's Office receive a B-. The stop was legally grounded. Document requests and the exit order were proper. However, handcuffing before any physical aggression occurred raises legitimate questions. The multi-officer roadside struggle reflects a breakdown in tactical coordination, and taser deployment in close quarters with a handcuffed subject demands review. Under Graham versus Connor, officers do receive credit for adjusting restraints. The subject receives a D. Disputing a plainly lawful stop, refusing legally required documents, and physically resisting officers converted a minor traffic infraction into felony charges and placed a CDL career in serious jeopardy. The lesson is clear. Compliance at the window preserves your rights and your options. Roadside resistance forfeits both. Every legal remedy challenging the stop, disputing the charges remains available in court, never on the pavement. For CDL holders specifically, the stakes are even higher. A DUI arrest alone, before any conviction triggers federal disqualification proceedings. resisting. And battery charges on top of that may end a commercial driving career permanently.
Why are you doing
7 to
this?
17 for 5.
Okay, why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this? Dude, why are you doing this? Dude?
If we can get the door
Shut
shut.
the f up and tell me why
We gotta
you
that
are
way.
doing this. Right now.
Bro, lift your leg.
Dude, you shut the f up. I don't give
Just
a
sit
fuck
down.
what you-
Sit regular. Put your feet down to
I'm
the floor.
sitting down. You
I know.
guys
Put your
me
feet
in
down.
here.
Sit
No.
up right like normal.
No.
Hey,
Dude. Bro, you better shut the f up. Why are there so many
Hey,
tell me what the f is going
you're gonna
on?
get tased. You put your feet forward. You're
I
gonna
am
get tased.
tased.
You're gonna
I
get
am
tased.
tased,
Put your
dude.
feet forward.
Dude, my feet are forward.
Put your
right
feet
now.
forward and you're gonna get tased.
They're right forward.
Stop resisting. Sit up. Pull.
I haven't resisted
Stop resisting.
at all, dude.
Okay?
Shut the f
Pull
up.
your
You
body
might
back.
resist it.
Pull your body back. Pull your body back.
There.
Now sit back. Sit back. Move
I'm
back.
sitting back.
Move back. Move back.
Bro,
Move your feet.
ain't no-
You're not stupid.
Look,
Move your
okay,
feet.
move my feet.
Move your feet.
bro, look. I can't. Mom, it's f***ing handcuffed, bro. Dude, they're f***ing handcuffed. You stupid son of a bitch, bro. They're handcuffed.
You're gonna get tased.
Dude, I'm already tased, bro.
Get inside the car.
Okay, I'm inside.
Get inside the car.
You already put me inside the
Get
car.
inside the car.
Why do I have to do this?
Get inside the car.
Why?
sir, get inside the car. You be
Last chance or you're gonna get
I
tased.
was already tased.
Get inside the car.
was
Last
already-
chance or you're gonna get tased.
Look, I can't move with you guys.
Get inside the car.
I can't move with you guys on me.
Lift yourself up.
Stop resisting. Get in the car. We're gonna tase you.
Next one is gonna be a taser. You
I don't know
move.
what this is about, bro.
Next one's gonna be a taser.
I don't know what.
Next one's gonna be a taser. Sit back.
I'm right there.
Keep moving back.
Boom.
Copy
Sorry,
Wilder,
guys.
1616.
Shut the.
Bro, I don't know what just happened. I'm like, sir, the reason I
Bro,
pulled you over is for Freddie to move
that
over.
went
He's
from
like,
0
he's
to
like, you didn't
100
pull me
like
over. I'm
that.
like, yes, sir. I've been behind you for a
11:25
quarter of a
foot
mile with my license.
0 to 100 like that. Look.
11:25. That's my
Like,
code.
sit inside the
Make
car.
sure you hit him.
He goes to put it in drive, and I'm like, let me see your registration insurance. And he's like, still drunk and high. I don't
Make
know
sure you
what
put a battery.
Yeah, battery Ellie on me
'Cause he
too.
grabbed
too.
me.
Look at this, I'm bleeding.
Yeah.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this content informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future uploads. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most compelling police interactions, courtroom proceedings, and real-world legal moments. We appreciate your continued support, and we will see you in the next one.
Make sure you put battery on me.
All right, so if
I'll
you want to just go
transport
ahead and get going,
Yeah.
I'll start. I'll have the PC done by the time you get there.
Okay.
I mean, he's not going to do BTO, so we'll just put it as a refusal and not
Yeah.
even try.
Call it a day. Yeah, he's combative. You gonna take that from me?
I got you.
Okay.
7104, you're subject to the valid Class A CDL. A clear.
Thank you.
What's wrong with this dude, bro?
Bro, I don't know. That's high and drunk.
7104.
Huh?
This is my car.
Oh, okay.
All right, step back though and take your
just stay
hands out
back.
of your pocket.
Just an
please.
active investigation. Even if it's your car, I understand that, but you can't come over here.
What
You
is
the-
he getting
you the owner of this
arrested
car?
for? Yeah,
A
I'm
lot.
the owner of this car. What is he getting arrested for?
DUI for one. Resisting, battery on law enforcement, you name it.
He resisted you guys?
Yes, he did.
Can I talk to him?
No.
No.
But he's saying it's his car.
He's saying it's his car.
It's my car.
Oh, it's gonna be towed.
Yeah.
It's gonna be.
Yeah, it has to be. It's a
kidding
felony.
me?
Yeah, it's a felony, so he has to be towed.
Yo, but I need to get my debit card from
Where's
him.
his?
And you don't look. You've been drinking. It look like too.
I'm not driving the car, so it
So?
doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
Excuse my language. I'm
Where's
sorry.
his license at?
But
Right here.
I just gotta get my debit card from him. If you could get that from him.
Bro, he's been fighting us. I'm not going over there.
Can I, like...
No, I told you that already.
The debit card is. I'll give you your debit card as long as you can
Okay.
give me your ID and prove it's you. That's
Yeah,
no problem.
I got my ID right here, sir. Well, I'm not getting my card towed. I can tell you that. You guys
You got somebody that can.
I can get
We're
my
going
mom.
to. You're not going to tell us what we're not going to do. 'Cause then it's
No,
going to
I'm
go a
gonna.
different
I'm
way.
not. I can have my mom come.
Okay,
here.
that sounds more better than
Yeah.
what we're not going to do.
Hello.
Step up.
Come on.
How's it going, mate? Thank you, sir.
Sit down there.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Can you please assist me, sir?
Ready? Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Come on.
Help me out, sir. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving. I can walk up from here, guys.
No,
I'm good.
that option's out for you.
Okay.
Listen, move forward so I can take those handcuffs off, okay?
Yes, sir.
You know?
That's about as far as you're gonna get it, bitch.
Thanks, sir.
Go ahead and take one off here.
Hold on, I can go up a little bit more.
Oh my God! Come on, man.
That's good.
Don't
That's
start.
Good. There, guys.
You good? Yeah, just
There you go. Go ahead.
just take them off. We got
Don't
them.
break one of them.
We got them.
One of them's good, but
Over here.
thank you. Hey. Oh my God. Hey, dude, come on now, bro. Dude, just take it f***ing off, bro. Please stop f***ing with me, dude.
Nobody's
Oh
messing
my-
with you, man. You're the one tensing up. Nobody's messing with
dude,
you.
that
Stop
I'm
tensing
not
up.
tensing up
Yes,
at
you are.
all, bro. Not tensing up at all, dude. Had a good day. I had a good day. How about you guys? Thank you.
Great day.
He's good. He's England.
Well,
I'm
just take it off, dude. Come on, this is your job, bitch. Like, f***ing take it off, bro. Come on, dude. Like, this protocol, bro. You can't do that shit.